Welcome to another Funny with JL Life. I'm Modell.
And I'm Misty.
Viewer discretion advised. This video is not intended for children or adults with sticks up their ass. If you are easily offended, click out of this video now because your feelings might get hurt.
And do not watch the other videos that are in this playlist.
Link here, I think. So sit back, enjoy,
Get ready to laugh.
and don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Instagram. What's Instagram?
What's Instagram?
That is your ticket to stardom.
Ooh.
If you don't know what Instagram is, that is the way for any average Joe to get famous. With fame comes free parts. With fame comes discounts. With fame comes money. So this video, sit back and I'm going to give you some tips on how to become
Insta-Famous.
Stay tuned. So, probably the most successful way to get followers fast.
Show a little skin.
Men can't help themselves. Ooh, damn, you looking good, Purdy. Fucking follow you. Like, goddamn. Even if you have no idea what you're doing, they're pictures.
You do.
You just gotta pretend.
Fake it till you make it.
I like that.
I do my own work. And it's very important that you have the right tool for the right job. Check it out. I have to tighten my bead locks. Hashtag do your own work.
The next trick I like to use is the old
Bait and switch.
So the bait and switch is what you do. You go and find just random profiles and you like. You go as deep as you can possibly go, just liking all their stuff. And at the end, you follow them.
Their feed.
They will get all the notifications. Bromance, like this photo. Bromance, like this photo. Bromance, like this photo. Bromance, like this photo. And at the very end of all your likes, you go back and you follow them. And they're going to get that notification at the top. So as they're looking, it's Bromance started to follow you. Then they'll go under. Like. And any normal person is going to say, you know what? I'm going to follow him back. They seem like a real nice guy. The trick is you go back like 7 to 14 days later, you unfollow them. They don't get notification of that.
Oh, I got a new follow. He liked 33 of my pictures. I'm gonna follow him back.
Success. And about 7 days later, you just go back and unfollow. Now, why do you want to unfollow them? I'll tell you why.
The key to being Insta-famous is following less people than follow you.
You gotta seem
desirable.
Now, if you're following as many people as following you,
you're not that desirable.
You look like a scrub to all these brands that can potentially be giving you stuff. Yeah. So you gotta unfollow them. You don't understand. It's important. Unfollow them. So you're finally getting there and you're starting to get more followers and more followers and more followers. Now you're going to be out at car shows, Jeep events, just hanging out with
a bunch of different people and vehicles.
And you're going to be taking pictures. You got to be likable to these people when you see them in person. So you're going to have to send them pictures. And you also don't want other people's Jeeps on your feed.
Yeah.
That's peasant stuff. You don't want
following you, not other people's stuff.
It's your Jeeps, the show. You need to pay attention to them because if they're posting the pictures you took, they better be tagging you for credit. Why is that important? Because it brings more traffic to you. And if they don't do it, serve them with a cease and desist letter and sue them.
Boom.
The next thing, you got to make sure you have a steady flow of content.
Sure. It is all similar.
Getting cool pics of the Jeep can be hard. So
you actually gotta go places to do that.
No, the trick is when you go out wheeling, you only need to go like once a year. You can go to Easter Jeep Safari, have someone guide you through the trail. You don't have to know what the hell you're doing.
Take a ton of photos.
Mm-hmm. And that way you have a steady flow of wheeling pics for the entire year. And people think you badass.
And that you're there all the time.
Are you seriously taking pictures of that Jeep in the street again?
I need content for my Instagram, though.
Get some variety.
I haven't done this angle yet.
The trick, steady flow of content.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Professional photographer. Put that on your resume.
You hit me.
I don't know why you're always doing that, you know. You're not even a professional. It's a cell phone.
Have you seen my filters? The next vital role in success to becoming
Insta-famous.
hashtags. Now, what's a hashtag?
Why are they such a big deal?
They're very important on Instagram. So what a hashtag is,
it's that pound symbol.
For you boomers out there, it's a pound symbol followed by a word.
Combination of words without spaces.
No spaces.
It's like a run-on word.
Now, the important part of this is the more hashtags you use, the more likely people who don't follow you are going to come across your page. Be creative. The more creative you get, the more you're going to have followers. Now, one of the really important ones is the hashtag Beatnotbabied. A handful of guys have put a lot of work into that brand. That hashtag is used and followed by everyone.
It started out as beat. Like literally, you beat on your Jeep, you don't baby it.
So even if you don't want to beat your Jeep and you got yourself a real pretty girl that you want to show off, still use the hashtag because
exposure.
A lot of people follow that hashtag. Hashtag thanks chemical guys. Hashtag Beatnotbabied. The next fascination with Instagram is the word beefy.
Beef.
I don't understand why.
What's for dinner?
Just fucking say it. Beef cut!
Check out this rear truss from CADFab. It's so beefy. It's what's for dinner.
Beefcakes! So you're having a hard time trying to get your initial followers. Well, you got extra money laying around?
It talks.
You can always just buy bot followers to make your account seem more
Popular.
Now, there's a caveat to that one. Once you stop paying, you're going to stop getting all the follows and likes. So just be careful. You don't want to be going from like thousands of likes because you're paying for all of them, and just stop and going back down to
Being a peasant again.
peasant status. So use that one sparingly. Has something unfortunate happen to you? Excellent time to get pity on Instagram.
Oh my gosh, look what happened to my tire. I don't have money to replace it right now.
Hashtag GoFundMe. Another excellent way. Okay, Joe Biden. Another excellent way to generate buzz about your page.
Create a new challenge.
Challenges. Hashtag the upside down electrical tape challenge. Do it, do it, do it.
Your next trick to get more followers.
Giveaways. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, I don't have anything to give away. I don't have money to be doing giveaways. Well, let me tell you a little trick. What you first do is
Make it complicated.
yes. Now, what I mean by that, you make your post. We're giving away X, Y, or Z, and you tell them, like this post. Go over to Heathen JL, like that post.
that one.
Go to Facebook, find this exact post, like it. Make sure you follow and tag 3 friends. Hashtag Beatnotbabied. Hashtag giveaway with JL Life. Hashtag giveaway. Follow Bromance. Then you got to go over to YouTube. You got to find this channel. You need to leave a comment saying JL Life rules in the comments. You continue that until everyone tries to follow your instruction, but they're not sure if they quite did it
missed
right.
something and they did not get that entry because they missed one step.
Even if they get all the steps, they'll never know.
Is there really a prize?
No, there wasn't. Thank you for the hundreds of extra followers.
Hashtag winning.
Hashtag swerve. Hey guys, giveaway time. We got a fresh pair of 7-inch headlights for your Jeep. Be sure to like this post. Go over to Heathen JL. Like the same post that's there. Make sure you leave the hashtag headlights for the win.
Follow the YouTube channel.
Make sure you subscribe. Go 5 videos deep. Make sure you comment, I love headlights. And make sure you share it on Facebook and to all of your friends. Because if you don't, well, you're not entered. Make sure you do it.
Bye.
Surprise, bitch! There's no giveaway!
You're gaining traction. You're getting more followers. They're just, trickling on in. Next crucial step. Tagging.
Everyone.
And especially if it has nothing to do with them.
It doesn't matter. Just tag them. So every time there's a comment in that
They
post,
get notified.
they're getting notified again to come check out your picture. Now they ask, why the hell are you tagging me in something I have nothing to do with? You just tell
I'm
them.
giving you extra exposure.
If you followed all these steps, you will become Insta-Famous. Now you have finally found the holy grail of Instagram. This is what everyone on Instagram's sole purpose of Instagramming is. What is it? Brand ambassadorships. That's 5% off anything in the store. Everyone else is going to be paying retail. Eventually, if you buy enough things, technically, you got stuff for free.
Yeah. It'll pay for itself.
Boom. All what you just got to be prepared is Being the company bitch.
Get your knee pads ready. So, I got them water resistant and shockproof lights you've been wanting.
Oh, that's awesome. Can I have?
You know, I'm inclined to give you a discount on these, but you know our arrangement.
Again? I just did this.
You know the deal. You want the lights or not?
Yes. Thanks, Button Lamps, for the awesome product. And remember, guys, I am a professional. You can trust me. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, well, hit dislike.
Sorry, not sorry.
You were warned.
Hashtag sorry, not sorry.
But I am curious, if you did make it through and you didn't like it, leave a comment. Let me know why you didn't like it.
It's all in good humor. And honestly, some of the stuff in the video we've done ourselves.
The picture we posted to Instagram of me on the back of the Jeep, this one, it's kind of exploding with comments right now. So that just kind of proves my point. Sex sells. And if you have an Instagram page where you do any of these things, relax. It was a joke. It's what we do. We do jokes. We don't take ourselves seriously. We don't take anything too seriously. We just enjoy life. But guys,
Have fun.
thank you for watching. Remember to
Like, comment.
subscribe and share. And stay tuned for the next one. Y'all,
See you next time.
keep it easy.
What are you gonna do there?
Ugh.